Dubai's car market just hit 75 billion dirhams and it's only getting bigger. Every morning in Dubai, more cars are sold before breakfast than most cities sell in a week. Not bicycles, not economy hatchbacks. We are talking here Ferraris, G-Wagon, Rolls-Royce and more. And the numbers behind this market will genuinely surprise you. Today on Money Petrol, we are pulling back the curtain on a business that is generating billions, attracting the world's wealthiest people and quietly reshaping Dubai's entire economy. And by end of this report, you will understand exactly why the smartest investors are paying very close attention. The market size. 75 billion dirhams. This is the value of Dubai's used car market in 2025 alone. Not total, just used cars. Now, at this over 1,600 cars are sold in Dubai every single day. One car for every 2 residents. Pre-owned transactions grew 12% last year and are still climbing. And here is where it gets interesting. The new car luxury segment currently at $4.2 billion is forecast to hit $6.8 billion by 2032. More than half of all new cars sold here are luxury SUV class, a ratio no other city on earth comes close to matching. The question is, what is fueling all of this? And the answer is not what most people expect. Who is buying and why? Here's the real story behind the demand. Nearly 10,000 millionaires have moved to UAE in 2025 alone. Now, that is the highest millionaire migration of any country in the world this year according to Henley Global Citizen report. They brought about 63 billion in wealth with them, and the first thing many of them do is when they land is walk into a showroom. The high-end car segment doubled in the first half of 2025, where the luxury car models are selling out before they even hit the floor. But here's an interesting fact. Chinese brands are exploding with 111% growth, while traditional German and American giants are still posting double-digit gains. This is the structural sustained demand backed by world's fastest growing wealthy population choosing Dubai as home. The market landscape. So, what is Dubai actually buying? At the top, the UAE is the number 2 global market for bespoke Rolls-Royce models. Dubai has the largest McLaren showroom, numbers that are remarkable. In mass luxury, Toyota, Land Cruiser, Nissan Petrol, Mercedes G-Class. The Land Cruiser has especially become a cultural institution, bulletproof, resale value, desert capability, and a status that transcends price tags. But now, watch this shift because this changes everything. Hybrid listings jumped 22% in the first half of 2025. EV registrations grew 10%. Over 1,100 public charging points are now live across Dubai. Full plug-in hybrid hypercars are among the hottest vehicle in the market right now. This opens an entirely new layer of business opportunity that smart money is already moving. The real estate connection. Now, the angle that most businesses' desks are missing. Dubai's car market and its real estate market are not two separate stories. They are one story told with two different assets. In 2025, Dubai's property market hit 917 billion dirhams in transactions, all-time record, 20% above last year. 193,000 active investors, up by 24%. Same capital, same people, same moment. The millionaire who buys a Palm Jumeirah penthouse is the same person buying the luxury car parked below. The wealth inflows that drove real estate to record highs are the exact same flows driving car sales to record highs. Near Jebel Ali Free Zone, over 940 automotive companies have set up operations, and that real estate corridor is now one of the fastest growing business zones in the Emirates. The big bet and close. Dubai is not slowing down. Look at what DP World just announced. Dubai Auto Market, 22 million square feet, 1,500 plus showrooms, a hotel, a convention center, an auction house, and the capacity to process 800,000 vehicles every single year. The largest automotive marketplace ever built on this planet. Current trade at the site is 6.8 billion dirhams, projected soon to be doubled. And this is bigger than just Dubai. Through DP World's 77 global ports and 15 automotive hubs, Dubai is the bridge between car manufacturers and the booming markets of Africa and Southeast Asia. So, here's where Money Patrol leaves you tonight. Dubai's car market is a capital story driven by wealth, migration, zero taxation, a real estate boom that feeds directly into automotive spending, and a government building infrastructure at a scale no one else is even attempting. For entrepreneurs, the doors are open. Dealership, export, EV, infrastructure, financing, the opportunity is wide. And for everyone watching in Dubai, a car is never just a car. It is a signal, and right now the signal is loud. Keep watching Money Patrol for more such information and subscribe to the best business guide platform in Dubai.